Anulom Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable position like Siddhasana, Virasana, or Padmasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Lower the head to the trunk and rest the chin in the notch between the collarbones, just above the breastbone. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils as in Ujjayi Pranayam until the lungs are fully filled. Hold the breath after inhalation for 5 to 10 seconds according to your capacity, maintaining Mula Bandha. Bring the right hand to the nose. Place the right thumb on the right side of the nose and the ring and little fingers on the left side of the nose, just below the nasal bone, as in Surya Bhedna Pranayam. Relax the Mula Bandha and exhale slowly from the partially opened right nostril, keeping the left one completely blocked. Empty the lungs completely and then lower the hand. Again, inhale through both the nostrils until the lungs are filled completely. Hold the breath after inhalation for 5 to 10 seconds according to your capacity, maintaining Mula Bandha. Bring the right hand to the nose. Release the Mula Bandha and close the right nostril completely. Keep the left nostril partially open and exhale slowly and deeply. Empty the lungs completely. Lower the hand. This completes one cycle of Anulom Pranayam. Do 5 to 8 cycles at a stretch. The effects of Anulom Pranayam are the same as those of Ujjayi, Nadi Sodhana and Surya Bhedna Pranayam. In Anuloma Pranayam, the exhalation lasts longer than the inhalation. This leads to a variation in the rhythm of breathing. This is difficult and should therefore be done by advanced pupil only. Persons suffering from blood pressure or heart ailments and nervous disorders should not attempt it. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana.